Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to import an image into a blog post using Blogger. At the moment I'm previewing the page that I'm working on that you've actually navigated to, and you can see that what I'm aiming to do is teach you how to import an image into this space here so that it appears on my blog post in a similar way to the animation on the top right of this page. So I'm going to exit preview view now, and you can see I'm into the post editing screen. This screen shows up when you create a new post or when you click on edit to edit an existing post. And this is the interface that we're working with. All of our editing tools are up the top here, and we have the option here to work in HTML or in compose mode, and I'm going to teach you today how to simply import an image in this compose mode here. Okay, at the top here in the menu bar you can see I have an option to insert an image, and clicking that is going to direct us to the 5 or 6 different ways that we can do this. You can see the first option says I can upload a file directly from my computer. So if you have the image saved on your computer, if it's an image that you've created on your own in Photoshop or Illustrator for example, you can simply choose the file, navigate to that file, and choose a compatible file type, and in a moment I'll show you those file types. You can see here JPEG, GIF or PNG files, and you can see here is a photo that I've created on Photoshop, and you can then simply click Add Selected. Once you've added the picture to your blog, you can click on it and you get some options here in terms of changing the size, changing the orientation, the ability to add a caption, change the properties or remove it altogether. The next way that we can add a file is to add a previous picture from your blog. So if you've used a picture in the past, you can simply use from this blog, and all the pictures that you've used throughout your blog become available for you to choose. And that works in the same way. You click on it and Add Selected. If you don't have the photo saved onto your computer, the option that you can choose is by using a URL. For example, if you navigate to a picture on Google, and you find an image that is stored, right-clicking on this enables you to copy the image URL. So these pictures are stored on somebody else's server, accessible via the web, and you can simply copy the image URL and then paste the URL in here. And the image appears, and we can click Add Selected. Okay, the next few ways in which we can insert an image are images that we have saved to our Picasa web album. If you have this app installed on your computer, you can basically copy and paste or bookmark images from the web and save them to your Picasa web album. Again, if you have a web album installed, you can very easily access Picasa or photos stored in your Picasa web album through Blogger. Next, in the same sense, if you have G+ or Google+ saved on your iPhone, you can use the app in order to instant upload. And again, if you have that app installed on your phone, the images on your phone will appear here and you can select those. And the final way to upload an image onto your blog is from your webcam. In a moment, if I start my webcam, you'll see a picture of me show up, and you can take a picture using your webcam. Alright, so I hope that's helped. You choose the most appropriate and easiest way of uploading a picture onto your blog post. Thank you.